Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you what to do when you get your Bitzee. I'm super excited about it. I worked on it a lot. So first you're going to get this sign when you join. And I already maxed out a lot of pets. First I'm going to show you what pets I have. Okay, I need to go to the house icon. You press on it. Then you can scroll through. Them. Here I have the gecko, then there's the cat. Then after the cat there is the fish. Don't know if you can see it that well. Now you can see it. Then there is the bird, which I didn't max out yet. There is the bunny, the hedgehog, and yeah, let's go with the birdie. The bird's an adult, not a baby, but an adult. And as you see, when you scroll, you have to go pretty fast, but not too fast. And then you can go through the main menu, like here's the settings, in settings there's the sound. Now it's very loud. I don't like it very loud, so I'm going to lower the volume. No, to this. Then, in settings there is also this to go out of settings. There is this, I'm not going to touch it because this shows where your pet's going to be. Mine is in normal level and I don't want to change it because I like it in this level. Then this is resetting all your progress and all your pets. Go out. And then here is the love meter. If you're like feed it, like the fork and knife is it's to feed your animal. And when you feed it, you are giving it love. Now, I'll show you everything else in this menu. Here is a jar of treats. This is a lollipop, and with the lollipop you can get the rare poodle. This is a strawberry. With the strawberry you can get the snail, and you need to collect them when you max. And you collect them when you max out and get more pets. This is your house where you find more pets. Now, when you do like this, when it's a baby, it'll make it go to sleep. Oh, and these are messages. If you ignore them, then your pet will run away. My pet needs love now, and he needs food. He ate a hot dog, and now, what do you want? What does he need? He needs to sleep. So when you rock him, he sleeps. And now he's doing zee. Now we go here to house and go back to our birdie. Now, if you want your birdie to slam his face into the screen, do this. No, you're not supposed to. Wake up. See? And then, if you want your birdie to be dizzy, you just shake it, and then he gets dizzy. Now, when you pet it, go very light and stroke it very gently, or else the thing... Oh, and now he's fully grown. I don't remember what I named him, but yeah. And now he's giving me a present, which is going to be a treat. And I got meat. What does meat give? I don't remember. Anyways, each pet has a single game. They're all different. Now I'm going to play the birdie game. She's a rock star. So you have to catch the note and play song. I'm not that good at this game, but the pup game is like very fun. I like it the most. job. Alright. And now is a message. Oh, oops, this is a little problem. The hedgehog pooped. You press it and then you swipe this to remove the poop one by one. And then you swipe one more time. And now it's in the trash can. Now the hedgehog's happy. Now here, let's go to the puppy. Here. He's a space pup. And let's go to his game. It's the first game you're ever gonna play with your Bitzee, so he's a rocket pup now, and you need to make him dodge all of these spaceships and asteroids, because he's a space pup, and you have a lot of tries, but it's like your armor, that blue thing that he has on, will disappear if you hit things too many times. And once you get to the galaxy thing, no, see, it's turned purple. And once you hit the galaxy, the gateway to the galaxy, you're done with the game. But oh, that was a close one. This one I hate though. That part's very annoying. See, now I'm going out. And I got 15 points, although they don't do anything. Now, the messages are very important. You don't ignore them. But if you do, because maybe you closed it, let's say you closed it when you got the message. When you open it back up, it won't come up on your screen. So you're gonna have to go to home, like regular, check the home icon, and if there is something wrong, like if there is something in the home icon, exclamation marks here and here, then press on it and scroll through your pets to find out which one needs your help. I personally like the cat one, and I'm gonna go to the jar. And I already know this is for the lollipop, is for the rare one. The strawberry is for snail. This meat thing, I think it is for something. It's for something. And saying as this is a mystery. Oh no. Wait, maybe yes. Yes! I don't know whether turtles are... Okay, some turtles are carnivores. Now I'm petting it. I got the turtle. I think his name is Mike from Michael. Alright, I'm gonna feed him. And he's so cute. Now let me show you how to make them go to bed. A message. Oh, great. The best thing you need to take care of. Okay. Now I'm going to have to go back to home and go back to my turtle. And I'm going to show you, because when they're not adults, they sleep like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it'll be easier for you when you get your Bitzee. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!